All right, Heath doing a couple personals of SP Game Used. What's up, Rich? Good to see you, brother. Happy Friday. All right, Heath. 2 fatties in the first box. Number to 113, Nick Sorensen. Orange rookie. And Nikita Kucherov to 223. First relic, Braden Holtby, All-Star Skills relic. And Damon, yes, you are all set, brother. Appreciate it. Nice. Jack Eichel jersey. Heath. First fatty. Ooh. Nicholas Jarmelson, 2015 Winter Classic banner. Pretty sick chunk of it. So that's the start of what, Washington, maybe? Oh, there's Washington. That's the start of Washington, D.C. Interesting. I like seeing where it's actually from. Ooh, buddy. Rookie patch auto 16 of 25. Patrick Laine. Uh-oh. Bingo. Dang. Heath, welcome home. Happy birthday. All of the above. Dang, man. Crazy hit. Crazy. Barkov to 221. Oh, another nice one. This is our second one. I think we pulled another in the same case. 80 of 98, Jesse Puljujarvi, authentic rookie. So not a huge one, but a pretty solid one. Puljujarvi. Ryan O'Reilly, All-Star Skills jersey. Sebastian Aho to 399 rookie jersey. What's up, Neil? That's right. It's the weekend. Sebastian Aho to 199. And Chase DeLeo, rookie autograph. Heath, killer, dude. Congrats.